Hi guys, I'm Kim. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope everyone has had a great weekend. So today I'm going to do another ocean pour. A little different this time. I saw it over on Nate Bright's channel and it just looks so cool, so I thought I'd give it a try. I did a sample piece earlier this week and I really liked it, so I'm hoping this one turns out okay too. So let's get to it. So the colors I'm going to use for the sky are a gray that ended up being made out of some scraped paints, titanium white, phthalo blue, black with some silver mixed in with it, and a light blue. And then for the ocean, I'm using a blue that was scraped paints from a pearl that I did, and then a pearl blue, titanium white, phthalo blue, cerulean blue, light blue, another light blue that has some pearl white mixed in, and cobalt. And it's cobalt metallic blue, I'm sorry. Or metallic cobalt blue, you know. And then down on the sand, I'm using 24 karat gold and some Artist Loft white for waves. So these paints are thin. I don't know that they are Dutch pour thin, but they're really runny. They don't leave a trace in the cup. And I'm layering them, and then I'm also using just some dirty pour in there too. Because like for the sky and the water, I don't want exact lines, but I also don't want them all blended together either. So that's what I'm trying. We'll see how this works. And so I'm doing this on an 11 by 14 canvas, and you can see here it's one that's already been painted on before. And I'm going to flip cup these on. First I'm going to do the sky, and then I'm going to mix up the paints while that, for the ocean, while that drops down. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. I used two different cameras and one did not capture everything, so it was kind of hard for you guys to see what I was doing there. Okay, so now I'm going to use two of these small cups for the water, and again I'm kind of layering them neatly and then also doing some dirty pour with it as well. So, with all that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys watch everything, and then I'll come back to you at the end and see how we did here. All right, guys, so I'm tipping this kind of side to side, and you can see I'm trying to leave some space at the bottom. That bottom corner is where I'm going to put the gold for sand. I kind of wanted more of the blue to come out in this sky, but it didn't. So in the test piece I did over the weekend, I had some beautiful blue come out, but that's okay. It's a stormy sky. All right, so now I'm going to put down the gold, and it's just going to go in this little corner. And this 24 karat gold is so beautiful, and it shimmers just like sand would. You know, looking at it from this direction, it looks like the sand could almost be the sun, and the blue could be the sky, and the gray could just be the pavement or a river. Actually, I didn't even notice that until just now as I'm putting this video together. I really kind of like it though. So I'm going to take you for some close-ups. Actually, these are the paint skins I'm saving. I really love these. So this is it close up. Still wet. I think stormy day is a good name for it, or stormy seas. Not sure. Kind of looks like an eyeball looking at me right there. All right, guys, I'm back, and this painting is dry. Sorry, you can see my helper here. Daisy Lou, say hi. I want to show you the mostly dried painting, although Daisy Lou is threatening to step on it right now. You gotta move, big girl. You gotta move. Thank you. So, here it is. I like it, I think. So when I did my sample piece, the sky had more blue. It wasn't as stormy. And I had different kind of waves down here. I'll show you the sample piece in a second. But overall, I mean, I think it does sort of look like a very stormy day on the ocean. Stormy in the horizon, the sea kind of rolling up a little bit. And I got, some, I don't want to touch it, it's still damp in the middle. Some of the white kind of rolling waves down here a little bit. I wish I'd had a little more of the blue come out in the sky. I probably guess I could have used more blue. But I'll show you, this is the test piece I did. And you can see with the test piece, I got more blue, and I actually got more of a straight line for the horizon. And I had, kind of some lighter waves down here. But yeah, overall, I think I kind of like this, and when it's completely dry, ooh, as long as I don't drop it, can you imagine? Yeah, I think I'm gonna like it a lot. Maybe I could have gone a little more angled here with the water, or I mean with the sand. I don't know. I still think it's kind of fun. So anyways, that is it. If you guys liked the video, click the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, and come back next week. Thanks, guys. Bye.